Hello, today we are going to look at Power Query. Power Query is a very useful tool, especially for analyzing data. So with me here, I have 3 files. So I'm going to upload all these 3 files into Power Query and we do some analysis. Later on, I will include another file for 4th quarter in the same file and we do analysis again. I will show you how to automatically update, but we are going to look at health related data. This is the data we are going to look at. These are sub counties, arbitrary numbers. I just choose arbitrary numbers. So this is quarter 1, July to September, and these are data elements. IPT3, ANC1, ANC1, ANC4, then deliveries. So this is the data we are going to look at here. So without any further ado, let's start our video with uploading the Power Query. So you go here to data, we get data. We want to get all those 3 files, so we want to get that folder. So that folder, get it, it is here. Open it. So it opens. So these are our 3 files. So we want to combine and transform that data. So I click on combine and transform. Now Excel is loading Power Query. So you can come here, click on the first file, try to look at it. Yeah, this is our data. So you click OK. So we are now in Power Query. We are in Power Query here. These are our quarters, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 down here. So now what I'm going to do, we are going to try and compute some indicators, coverage indicators, ANC1 coverage, ANC4 coverage, and we see, because what we have here in the data, we have the target and then what we got in a particular quarter. So for this example, I'm going to compute ANC1 coverage and ANC4 coverage. So I come here, add the column. So here we want our ANC4, our ANC1 coverage. Come here, select ANC1, divide by the target here, and I click OK. But I want this to be in percentage, so I click on percentage here. So this was our ANC1 coverage. These are the figures for the different sub counties. Now you can also add the ANC4 coverage, still under add column. You add another column here, ANC4 coverage. Still I will select what was achieved here, then we divide by our target population. Click OK. Change this to percentage. So this is what we have. Now after computing those coverages, I'm sure we would compute others, but for now this will suffice. So I will close this and load the data into an Excel table. You're seeing here probably what has changed in this, it has taken it back to decimals. We can convert it back to percentages. That is, it's the same thing almost. So this is what we have. So I can use this to do some analysis on my data. So I can insert a pivot table, for example. It will be here. Insert a pivot table, select the whole table. I click OK. I want it on a new sheet. So I want to maybe analyze data in quarters. The quarters to appear here, and then I want the sub counties to be in the rows, and then we want what we computed, the NC1, the values here. So you're seeing for the different quarters, this is how this sub count is fared in this particular indicator called NC1 coverage. So what happens if I want to, because maybe we can remove this grand total because it doesn't make a lot of sense, so I remove it. I can also remove this one. It's not making a lot of sense. So what happens if I want to bring in the other quarter? Do I have still to go back to Power Query and compute? No. What you do, if quarter 4 data is available, I can have it here, quarter 4 here. I just come copy, go back here to my folder, this folder here which had 3 files, now it is going to have 4, including the 4th quarter. So I have 4 quarters now. So what you do, you just go back to your table here, refresh that table. Just click anywhere, right click and refresh. When you refresh, the 4th quarter is now reflected. You are seeing 4th quarter here is being reflected. So we can also go back to our pivot table here. We refresh, and you are seeing quarter 4 being reflected here. So this is the power of Power Query. You don't have to compute every quarter. Once you get the data, you just dump it in just put it in the folder, and then everything is computed automatically by just refreshing. That is all we had. If you found this video very important to you, subscribe to our channel and also like our video. Thank you.